Well, good morning, guys, and it's a beautiful fall morning here in Harrodsburg, Kentucky at Sewell Motor Coach, and there's been a lot of change since I was here just a few months ago. Like this whole back area right here has just been infilled with a whole bunch of gravel and rock, and what used to be a very beautiful green and grassy pasture back here, Doug has relocated his large and very impressive inventory of used motorhomes and diesel pushers, including a 2020 Phaeton, a 2020 Tiffin Red, and a really nice looking 2016 Allegro bus. But it's not all Tiffins and Allegros out here. We got an FR3 just right there, Integra emblem, motorhome right here, and just across the way we have one of my favorites, Berkshire. Or is it a Berkshire? But none of that's important right now, because even though this is a big change over here for me, this back lot right here is just the tip of the iceberg of the changes here at Sewell Motor Coach. And while Doug enticed me back here to do inspections like he normally does, he also has a lot of big information that he wanted to share with me and make sure that I let everybody else know, including that, as many of you all know at this point, he's not just a used RV dealer anymore. Sewell Motor Coach has decided to be a brand new RV dealer with two brand new manufacturing lines. And while ultimately nothing's going to change too much for me, but he does want everybody to know how these exciting changes won't be affecting how he's going to be doing business going forward. In fact, he's going to be changing a few things for the better, is what he says. Let me see if I can't track him down and find him and see what he's talking about. Hey Doug, you've changed things up a little bit here since I've been here last.
We got some big stuff.
What you got going on?
Big announcements. We got a lot of stuff going on here, James, as you've probably seen on other channels. I know you watch YouTube.
I've been watching your channel, and you know, you don't normally have fifth wheels out here.
We don't normally have fifth wheels. We have taken on the full line of Alliance RV. We are so proud to have that brand. You know, you've said it before in your videos, all these things are built pretty much the same. Am I saying that right?
A lot of them are assembled out of the exact same components using a very similar labor force.
Yep.
And so it's up to the responsible dealer force to educate the new owners and those that are doing the maintenance on it, how to maintain them and take care of them. And I think Alliance maybe found a pretty good dealer network here.
I hope that's the case. That's the whole reason we're here. But I think more importantly, we found a towable product. I wasn't even really I was, but I wasn't. I always told myself if I found a manufacturer that lined up with the same values that we do, that I would go full force into it. I did the factory tour at Alliance, met with the owners, the actual owners of the business. They are a family-owned company, and to tell you I was impressed would be an understatement. This product is phenomenal. It's all the little things that they do really well, but I think more importantly, it's their mission statement to always do the right thing. So I've said it for years.
Yeah, we
always do the right thing here. So we've already sold 4, and we've only had them on ground for about 3 weeks. We got a Paradigm that just sold yesterday, and we're going to be doing something just a little bit different, James, that I don't think anybody's thought of this yet, or at least if they have, I haven't seen it. We're going to be doing something just a little bit different.
Well, what's this different thing that you're going to be doing?
Well, that's part of the reason why you're here, and then we've also have a gentleman locally who is very well-known inspector, highly regarded inspector named Mark Anderson. Basically an inspection, third-party inspection done by you or somebody else, free of charge. That way, when we sell these things, there are no hidden issues, right? I mean,
right. There's always going to be some issues. Yeah. That's pretty impressive. So on all brand new sales for towables and motorhomes, yep, you're going to have independent third-party inspection, yes, on top of your inspection.
And there's still, once you decide that you're going to buy X, Y, or Z, we're still going to go through our pre-delivery inspection, because the more eyes that can touch one of these things, the better, right? I mean,
without a doubt. So yeah, that's 2 inspections on brand new sold things. And I have generally said this repeatedly. You have 3 inspectors do an inspection. You're going to have 3 different lists, yes, and you will finally, at least on each one of those lists, will be something the other ones missed, and it was kind of important. So more eyes is always better.
And then also, I think we're going to carry over our same philosophy. We want you to come stay with us for at least a night on one of these, so we can teach you how everything works, and more importantly, to make sure you're happy.
The first night in an RV can make or break your experience and relationship with an RV. I've almost always said on a brand new sale, either it's a new sale or used RV, don't go on a cross-country trip on the first trip. Almost park in your driveway and spend the night in the driveway where you're not make or break on the road.
That's
to
why
understand it.
That's why we want you to stay here with us. You're going to have a list of questions.
Yes.
And you're going to have hopefully a few things that you want us to touch up. On a new one, there shouldn't be much, but maybe you broke something. Maybe you pulled a cabinet too hard and trying to figure it out or trying to understand the unit. We want the opportunity to make that right. Make sure you're 100% happy before you take off. We're also going to still service you after the sale. Support by phone, support by the Alliance RV brand is going to support you. We want to eliminate as many issues up front as possible, James. That way customers can go out and have fun.
I think that's really great to hear, Doug. Usually it's always just about managing expectations, but also given my experience with you over these last few years, I know that you're going to meet those expectations.
Well, we were talking just a minute ago, and I said, it takes 3 things to make a happy RV owner, right? It takes a good manufacturer that stands behind their product. I think we have that with Alliance. It takes a dealer who's going to do the right thing to make sure they do a proper prep. I've said it for a long time on new RVs. Not enough dealers are doing a proper prep and demonstration. We're going to do that. And then it takes a good RV owner who understands how to use it.
Yes.
And is diligent about keeping up with it. So when you have those 3 things, when the owner has all the information, the dealer does the right thing, and the manufacturer is good and builds a good product and supports it.
Yes.
I think that's the perfect little concoction of a really, really good experience for an owner.
All right. And you're an avid RVer, and I really like RVing. So I think that's what is the key to making sure the entire RV industry and the RV experience continues on for the next generation, for sure.
You heard it from the expert.
All right, Doug. So not only have you picked up Alliance, right?
Yeah.
Right behind you is a brand new
Tiffin Allegro Bay, Tiffin Byway, Tiffin Phaeton, Allegro Bus, Tiffin Wayfarer, Open Roads. We got them all.
Right. So you're a brand new Tiffin dealer now, too.
Just became a brand new Tiffin dealer. That is another big announcement we're making. We have some new facilities going out of the ground soon.
No, I haven't even seen this. That's news to me.
Yes.
Now, it's also news to me. I've never even heard of a byway, so I'm really excited to take a look at that one. And then, of course, the Tiffin Bay, right? Allegro Bay.
Allegro Bay, brand new.
Brand new.
If you're interested in a Super C, this is one of the most exciting rollouts of a brand new floor plan for 2026. This is the 34 DB. It's 36 feet long. It is an awesome unit. Packs everything you could ever want. And then the byway, for under 300 grand for a brand new luxury Tiffin, they knocked it out of the park with this. I think it's the perfect blend of entry level and luxury, all blended together. I can't wait for you to put your head in that one. I'm very, 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 very bullish on the Tiffin product. And I asked you the question. You've been in this RV industry for how long?
A little long.
Going on
Well,
30 years?
I'm going to claim that I started in the industry of 99.
Okay.
So
26 years.
26 years, almost 30 years.
And I got a question for you.
Okay.
In this 26 years, you've seen the huge rise of early 2000s of the boom.
Oh, yeah.
Boom, big time.
Yeah.
I mean, Monaco and all the Country Coach, and they were all just firing on all cylinders, and everything was selling. Prevost, the whole night.
Right.
So you see the boom. Then we all know what happened in 08.
There's there's a little bump in 08. Yes, a little bump.
And then you see the industry come out of that, and then we made it to COVID.
Right.
So we made it to COVID, and then, so my question for you is, are RVs built the same, and do they have the same quality control issues now that they did 25 years ago? That was my question to you.
Well, I'm in a very rare position because I'm now independent, so I don't get to see a lot of new RVs, so I'm kind of excited to check out a lot of the new
maybe we'll answer that question
alliances.
Yep.
But what I can tell you is that I get the lagging indicator, right?
Yep.
So I get to see a few years behind. And so now we're a few years past the whole COVID. And what I can say is that I do think especially on the towable sides, the manufacturers have made some adjustments and are starting to take QC and the responsibility of building people's homes a little bit more seriously.
Sure.
So I'm excited to see that on the new Alliance lineup too.
Yeah.
And you got some really cool inventory here that I'm excited to see because I don't get to see it very often.
There's one up there that I think is probably one of the most exciting products on the Alliance side that I've ever seen. And keep in mind, my knowledge about fifth wheels and towables is
I know you're a diesel motorhome guy.
very limited, but when I get excited about a fifth wheel,
Uh-huh.
you better pay attention because that thing is nice. I'll just let you show them.
All right. So you're going to be a towable guy here for pretty soon?
That unit behind the camera right now.
Uh-huh. The Avenue?
You're looking at that, and it looks just like a little baby fifth wheel, right?
Yes.
That thing only weighs 7,900 pounds dry.
Okay.
You can tow it with a half-ton truck, but it's loaded up and it's quality. 101-inch wide base. That little fifth wheel right there is absolutely awesome. Actually, me and my wife spent about 30 minutes in it the other day, and she's like, "I could do this.
Okay.
I could do this." They would, so.
So it's not the big 40-foot behemoth that you have to have a 3500
You put it
with a
behind one
dually
of
on.
these gas trucks. In fact, I got another fifth wheel here we're testing out the whole package deal. I got a 3/4 ton gas truck sitting here with a like 11,000 pound fifth wheel dry weight,
Right.
and it tows it like a dream. So you put that 7,900 pound fifth wheel behind this 3/4 ton gas, you won't even know it's there. I towed it because I know this.
Right.
I'm just really excited about it. And call me crazy. Call me silly for being excited about something like this.
No, it's important to be excited about what you're selling.
I think so, and I'm very passionate about it. I'm most excited. Well, I love the product, and it looks great, and it's in fact, the units that we have in stock we've had virtually zero quality control issues. But I guess I'm most excited about the company itself and how they stand behind their product and how they communicate with their owners and their dealers. It's just been very, very good.
Well, that's great to hear, because I know one of my least favorite things in the world has generally been to call manufacturers. So I'm glad you're having a great experience with that, Doug.
The Alliance brand, I've never heard of this, but they actually want you to email them all of your issues with the last 6 of the VIN. That's how they want the claim to start, regardless if you're going to go to dealer or not. I think it helps speed up the process and leave some lag, and then they're okay with mobile RV repair.
Oh, that's really great news. They're not going to make it difficult for the mobile RV technician to jump through 1,000 hoops and get paid and have like a net 30. I know as a mobile repair guy, I generally try to actually shy away from any sort of warranty repairs. They say, yeah, I can help you out, but you're going to pay me, and you can go out to the manufacturer for the repair.
And they'll do it that way too.
Okay.
They'll reimburse customers. They will not, I'll tell you this up front, so in case they will not pay a trip charge.
All right.
So they'll do
well, yeah, that would be on the owner either way.
Yep.
Sure.
So
I understand that.
But they warranty full-time RVers.
Oh, wow. So they're not going to punish you for using your RV.
No. So if you live full-time,
They're going to make up excuses about that.
They advertise that.
Okay.
Yes.
Man, the industry has changed a lot, and this is good. I can see why you took them up.
Yeah, this is phenomenal. Again, the people that have bought this paradigm that I just showed you, they're going to be full-time, and that's one of the reasons they chose Alliance, is because they warranty full-time.
All right.
So, yep.
So big news here at Sewell Motor Coach in Harrodsburg, Kentucky.
I'm going to have to change the name Motor Coach now to RV.
You might have to change the name.
No, I like Motor Coach better. Yeah.
But the most important thing that you want everybody to know is that you're going to have independent third-party inspectors on all your new motorhomes and towables.
Every new product, because we're not ending. We don't stop with Tiffin and Alliance. We actually have some other brands coming as well, and we'll roll those when they arrive. You'll be back here doing more inspections, and I hope.
Well, yeah, I'm glad you found somebody local, because
yeah, you can't do all of it. There's no way you could do all of them. I mean, you would have to move here, which would be okay with me.
Now, his name again was
the other inspector.
Yes,
Mark Anderson.
Mark Anderson, my competition now.
He is a phenomenal gentleman and just highly regarded.
All right, that's great to hear.
Highly regarded. So we're very pleased to have him agree to come and spend some time with us a day or two a week doing some of our inspections. So
honestly, I think that says a lot about your mentality and your business ethic, that you don't have a problem having third-party inspectors come in, and you actually had a good relationship with them from the get-go.
Furthermore, if you're watching this and you want to buy one from us, you don't have to rely on my inspection. You can pay your own third-party inspection to come in here and do your own inspection. So again, more inspections the better. So if you want to pay another third-party inspector to come in, we're good with that too.
All right.
So there you go.
Well, Doug, I'm very excited for you. There's a lot going on here. I know you have brought me down here to do a lot of inspections, and you
some repairs too.
Oh, you didn't say repairs. All right, guys, there you have it, straight from Doug Sewell with Sewell Motor Coach. A lot of things going forward. Not only will I be doing inspections, but he has a local inspector that'll be doing some really high quality inspections too on all his brand new RV motorhomes and RV travel trailers and fifth wheels. Well, that was a lot of surprise change for me and a lot of information to take in. If you guys have any questions or any interest of any of the inventory that you're seeing here, I wouldn't hesitate to reach out to Doug Sewell or his entire group here at SewellMotorcoach.com. You can also find their phone number on the website. For me, it doesn't change too much. I'll still be coming out here and doing inspections and helping with repairs. Speaking of that, I got this brand new Tiffin Wayfarer I need to do an inspection on. Maybe we'll take a look at it in the next video. Bye, guys. Truth be told, I have 2 more inspections on Wayfarers to do after this one right here. So I'm gonna be a little busy. Especially the new ones with those balconies in them. I haven't seen those yet.
Yeah, that patio, that side patio is a game changer. I thought to myself when I first seen it, we were at the factory, they had one of the first ones there. And I didn't go in it because I discounted it as, oh, it's a side patio, so the floor plan's going to change.
Right.
The floor plan's going to be all wonky inside. No, sir.
Right.
No, this thing is awesome. In fact, I like it even better. I'm going to let you show them what we're talking about.
All right.
They have to maybe wait for a different video.
All right. Thanks a lot, Doug.
Yep, see ya.
Bye.
It's been really good. In fact, the Alliance brand, I don't want to make this video too long, but I've got a lot to say.
Oh, I bet you do.